Once upon a time, in the land of Stovetopia, lived a tiny jolly man named Spaghetti Sprinkles. His hair was curly like pasta and his pockets always had a pinch of pixie-dusted Parmesan. He was known for his unstoppably tasty recipes and his rainbow kitchen clock that chimes food rhymes, reminding him to be timely and disciplined in fun ways. One day, Spaghetti Sprinkles got an emergency letter from his dear friends, the Marshmallow Elephants. They were supposed to perform their famous Raindrop Dance at the annual Starlit Feast, but they've all caught a case of the blue sneezes. Spaghetti, the letter cried, please help us. We don't want to miss the stars' bedtime jokes. Quote, a dash of marinara, a splash of magic. Spaghetti whipped up a gigantic pot of elephant soup, made from the most magical, healthy ingredients, waving carrot sticks, laughing tomatoes, and beans that sung. It was a remedy so delicious it could make a snail sprint. With the pot brimming, Spaghetti hitched a flight on a pancake named Pancake Pete, who loved flying across the sky and sharing stories with alien friends. Landing at the Marshmallow Elephants, Pete dived into the soup, disappearing, emerging moments later with syrup. Under the starlight, the elephants slurped up the soup. It was a hilarious sight, big creatures eating tiny vegetables that just couldn't stop giggling. Spaghetti suggested, maybe if we all laugh together, the blue sneezes will bolt. Quote, and laugh they did, until each sneeze was scared away. The elephants were ready for the raindrop dance. But wait, no rain. Then, Pete had an idea. As the elephants started stomping and twisting, Pete zoomed around them, fast enough to create a pancake cyclone, sprinkling syrup raindrops. It was the most ridiculous solution, but it worked. As the Marshmallow Elephants danced, the mesmerized crowd joined, sharing in the joy. Even the stars cracked their best jokes, making the moon blush. Finally, the leader of the elephants thanked Spaghetti and Pancake Pete. If it wasn't for your kindness and teamwork, this night could have been a disaster. Quote, from then on, Spaghetti Sprinkles' crazy adventures with his friends taught everyone the magic of helping, sharing, discipline, and living a healthy life, all while having unending fun in the silliest but smart ways possible.